I have always said to people in PDP, nobody should cause a division amongst the governors. We are trying as much as we can to build the party back and see that 2023 PDP takes over the reins of governance. But I have some suspicion that people like Raymond Dokpesi are not really sincere to the People's Democratic Party. And I think, I'm convinced that Raymond Dokpesi appears to be working for APC. Why do I say so? I don't understand where Raymond Dokpesi gets this information. This rumor that governors traveled to Europe to decide who will be the presidential candidate and vice presidential candidate comes from him. And I wonder why governors will travel to Europe to take such a decision. And I have told Raymond Dokpesi when he visited me last time, there's nothing wrong with you preaching for the candidature of Atiku, the Waziri of Adamawa. Very experienced man, an intelligent man, a strategist. But don't destroy other people because of this. But when you destroy them, it will be difficult for PDP to win the election in 2023. We supported Atiku when he won. And even if he wins now, the governors will rally around him. But when you destroy these governors and bring confusion, how will it work? So all those people calling Sheyi's name, or the governor of Oyo, shouldn't do that. What they should do, what is their anger? What is the problem? And what I hear when I confronted him, he said, look, my brother, I'm the governor. The only governor in the Southwest. I don't think there's any problem. The party should call the governor of the zone and say, look, see what we are doing, so that he will be carried along. He will be carried along, not where he's the governor of the zone, and then he sees that people outside his own zone are those determining what happens in the zone. He will kick.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.